Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel gadgets. First, choose a specific gadget you're excited to build, like Iron Man's Repulsor or Captain America's shield. Dive deep into its lore, understanding its purpose and how it's depicted. Then, start sketching your design, thinking about its size and how it will come together in the real world. Collect plenty of reference images to guide your creative process and ensure accuracy. Now, let's talk about what you'll need. For materials, consider versatile options like EVA foam, which is easy to shape, or thermoplastics for more rigid structures. If you have access, three-dimensional printing filament opens up many possibilities. Essential tools include a sharp utility knife, a cutting mat, and a heat gun for shaping. Don't forget small electronic components like light-emitting diodes or tiny motors to bring your gadget to life. And always prioritize safety with gloves and eye protection. With your materials ready, it's time to build. Carefully cut and shape your chosen materials, following your detailed sketches. When joining pieces, use strong adhesives like contact cement for foam or appropriate glues for plastics, allowing ample drying time, perhaps 24 hours. Integrate any electronic components, making sure all wiring is neat and secure. Finally, apply a primer, then several thin coats of paint, allowing each to dry for at least 30 minutes to achieve a smooth, authentic look. To truly bring your gadget to life, add weathering effects and fine details. A bit of dark paint or a dry brush technique can make it look battle-worn and authentic. Thoroughly test all electronic elements, ensuring lights blink or sounds play as intended. Once complete, think about how you'll display your masterpiece. A custom stand or wall mount can really show it off. Remember, safety is paramount throughout the entire process, from cutting to final display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.